My granny called, she said, Travis, you work too hard, I'm worried you forget about me. I'm falling in and out of class, don't worry, I'ma get it, granny. What happened now? My daddy happy, mama called me up, that money coming and she love me, I done made it now. I done found like meaning now. All them days are hard to break, her heart out in pieces now. Friends turning into fraud niggas, practicing half the passion, you niggas package different. All you niggas want the swag, you can have it. I'ma sell it, you niggas salary bout to cap it. Youngest nigga out of Houston at the Grammys, smiling at him, laughing at me. I pass a rock to he punk faked and passed it back, bitch. All of this off a rabbit, shoulda wrote this in Latin. Yeah, I know.